My name is Larry Ware. I'm also go out the name as Priest as a nickname. I am a recording mix engineer at Omega Recording Studios in Rockville, Maryland. I was always into music, and I was actually an independent hip-hop artist. I was always involved with the production side of music as well. I always was intimidated by the technical side. Oh, I could never do that, and I would always say that. But I became an engineer because a lot of people told me, hey man, you have good ears. You have great ears, so you hear very well, you can hear things in songs, so you should become an engineer. But I never wanted to learn the technical aspect, but you know, hey, what I found out is that you can study that. This is my virtual multi-track recorder that I would actually record on, and this is a way that I can mix signals. And we'll do a little calibration right here, and it'll do a little self-cal. We'll see. And so it should be doing that in a sec here. There we go. When I was in 7th and 8th grade, and I used to dance a lot, being a hip-hop, breakdancing back then. And then as far as school programs, I was a member of the chorus and even played instruments a little bit, played a little clarinet. Things that you kind of use in my job as being an engineer, definitely math, because we're learning equations, we're learning theorems. It's a little bit of electronics. There's some electrical engineering involved in that as well. It helps a lot. I mean, if you're not good in math, I wasn't great in math, so you can still become an engineer. In middle school, you can definitely get involved with free music programs. I definitely would suggest that you learn an instrument. That helps out a lot since we're in music, music theory, things like that. I would say the hardest part in becoming a recording engineer for me was just the adjustment to how to think and how to troubleshoot. So when there's a problem, a cable goes out, something happens like that, there's a certain approach. A lot of times I think we're expected to be technical, left brain minded people, but I'm actually an artist. So I'm a right brain person, and I'm very artistic, but that gives me an edge a lot of times over engineers because I don't overthink things. So I use that side of me in a technical aspect, and the combination of what I've learned technically through a lot of intensive studying, and I apply my artist side to the technical aspects. The best part about my job is that I get to do what I love to do every single day, and that's just wake up and be involved in making music, whether I'm engineering sessions or I'm working with artists or producers or I'm teaching. It's all involving music, so that's what I do every day. I'm a living proof that you don't necessarily have to be a genius to be an engineer. I just had to work hard. If you're willing to put in that work, and as long as you're willing to work hard, because it's a lot of hard work, like everything it is to be successful. It's going to involve a lot of hard work. But if you're willing to put that work in, there's no reason at all why you can't accomplish whatever you want to accomplish.